Hello friends, welcome to Algoix Knowledge. Today we will see a 1 minute formula for addition of first n odd numbers. Just for simplicity, we will take n as 2. That means we will do addition of first two odd numbers, that is addition of 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 equals to 4 where n equals to 2. Now we will take n as 3. That means we will do addition of first three odd numbers, that is addition of 1, 3 and 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5 gives the answer equals to 9. Let's observe the answer for n equals to 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 equals to 16. And for n equal to 5, the answer is 25. We can clearly see that for n equal to 2, the answer is 4. And for n equal to 3, the answer is 9 and so on. So the formula for addition of first n odd numbers is n square. If you get this formula, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.